Ramp Plus empowers finance teams with all-in-one tools for advanced spend control, powerful automations, and seamless integrations with your existing systems, giving you everything you need to streamline your finance operations and stay in control. Prevent overspending with advanced controls and policy enforcement, and save time by automating tasks. You can tailor the platform to meet your needs as your business grows, scaling effortlessly, even as you expand internationally. Ramp Plus integrates directly with your tech stack, like NetSuite, Sage Intacct, and more, helping you work with precision and speed. We'll highlight some of the key features with Ramp Plus that let you consolidate even more of your financial processes onto a single, streamlined platform. Ramp Plus integrates directly with ERPs and accounting software like NetSuite, Sage Intacct, and more to automate busy work and sync transactions. Sync custom fields from NetSuite or Sage to code transactions tailored to your business. In Ramp, manage global spend across all entities in one view with multi-entity support. And with amortization and bill pay, easily sync templates from NetSuite for seamless invoice management. Ramp Plus simplifies expense management with smart features designed to save you time. Automate transaction reviews and flag out-of-policy spend with rules customized to your business policy. Keep employee spending in check with auto-locking cards that prevent purchases if receipts aren't submitted on time. And with multiple travel policies built directly into the platform, employees can book flights and hotels in one place, while receipts are matched automatically. Stay in control of your team's spending with advanced transaction reviews and customized approval workflows. Set up conditions like spend category or department to route approvals, and allow parallel approvals to speed up the process while maintaining oversight. Plus, delegate backup approvers to eliminate bottlenecks when you're unavailable, ensuring seamless approval cycles without delays. With advanced accounting rules, Ramp automates transaction coding based on your specific workflows, saving you time on repetitive tasks. Conditional filtering ensures clear categorization, reducing employee errors by dynamically presenting the right fields based on the custom rules you set. With Ramp's NetSuite OneWorld integration, you can speed up your month-end close by automatically syncing non-USD transactions. International tax reporting becomes simpler with NetSuite tax codes applied directly to global transactions, ensuring more accurate books. Easily manage foreign currency spend by issuing limits and tracking transactions in local currency. No more manual conversions. And when it comes to international payments, streamline the process by paying directly from your local non-US bank account. Accelerate every step of procurement without sacrificing control. Ramp's modern intake-to-pay platform delivers a smooth procurement experience with intelligent intake forms, automating workflows, purchase orders, receiving, and three-way matching. Finance and procurement teams get everything they need to streamline processes while gaining early visibility into spend, helping to drive down costs. Ramp Plus is designed for both startups and established businesses in industries like technology, healthcare, financial services, professional services, and more. Whether they're focused on growing revenue with limited resources, maintaining efficient operations, or scaling globally, Ramp Plus provides the tools they need. Many use accounting ERPs like NetSuite and Sage Intacct, along with expense management solutions like Expensify or Concur. Ramp Plus scales with your business, especially when you're ready for advanced financial tools. To manage your Ramp Plus plan, head over to Ramp Plus under the Settings tab. Here, you'll be able to view things like your payment method. Plus is available with monthly or annual billing. You'll save more by choosing annual billing. You have the flexibility to switch back to Ramp Free at any time. If you decide to downgrade, you'll lose Plus features like procurement, advanced approvals, expense intelligence, and direct ERP integrations like NetSuite and Sage Intacct. Feel free to set up time with one of our account managers to discuss how your Ramp features might change if you want more details. We think the best way to experience Ramp Plus is to try it for yourself. Get started with a free trial from our site or head over to the Ramp Plus page under the Settings tab to try it out. With Ramp Plus, unlock our most advanced tools to save time, improve financial control, and manage spend, no matter how your business evolves. Start a free trial today or schedule time with a Ramp representative to learn how Ramp Plus can help you save even more time and money.